Hey guys, this is Brittany with the Homestead Trail. Quick update on our Pomeranian goslings. They are 2 weeks old as of yesterday. They are growing insanely fast, but today is our first day of letting them play outside, so let's see how they like it. You guys like it? Oh, they love grass. I've been trying to get them like a bowl full of grass every morning and night, but I think they're liking getting it fresh from the source a little better. These guys have easily, I'd say, tripled in size just in the 2 weeks we've had them. They're pretty skittish. If I move too fast, they all kind of dog pile up on each other. They make lots and lots of noise, but it seems like they're kind of starting to warm up to me. They're right next to me right now. They're so funny, just their mannerisms. You guys are so cute. Little wings. No feathers are coming in yet. I need to do some research and find out when those will come in. But they are doing really well. They're loving this grass though. We're going to start doing this probably at least every night, so long as the weather's nice, it's not raining or anything. Oh, flap your little wings. They're so cute. But yeah, we're probably going to do this every night. Just again, used to being outside. We're working on their outside pen right now. They're going to be separate from the chickens. Yeah, just to make the transition a little bit easier and make sure they get plenty of grass because they love it. In addition to the grass though, we're also feeding them some meat bird crumbles. It's got, I think, 22% protein, which they need higher protein compared to like chick feed. But they seem to be doing really well. We haven't lost any. We still have all 10. So kudos to Hatchery for having healthy stock. You guys are so cute. I actually wanted to have them play outside earlier than this, but I just wasn't convinced that they wouldn't be able to fit through our chain link. I'm not in the mood to chase down 10 goslings across our yard, so I think they're fat enough now that they wouldn't be able to fit through. Fingers crossed. That would not be fun. Excuse me. Do not eat my pants, please. This is very rude. You're starting to warm up to me a little bit. Not so scared now. I'm not scary. Just because I pick you up. It's not scary. No. Alright, kiddos. Starting to cool off. I think it's time for you guys to go back to your brooder. Which you'd be amazed how quickly these guys can completely destroy a brooder. I can have it completely cleaned, have some fresh shavings in there, make it all look nice, and literally the next day it is completely disgusting. Water everywhere. These guys are a mess. As soon as they feather out, they are going outside, but they're pretty dang cute right now, so they get a pass.